Good day and welcome to the Math Hub, Mathematics and Start on Ascending. In today's lesson, Truda kushandisa that question which was written ZIMSEC November 2014, paper 2. We want to use that question to practice how to execute a change of the subject of formula. The topic ya Truda kupractiza. Saka question yedu yakati, given that A is equal to P plus PRT over 100. Saka A is equal to P plus PRT over 100. That is the formula we are given. Part 1, it could calculate A when P is equal to 350, T is equal to 1.5, and R is equal to 5. Saka A ingeri equal to, we are just going to substitute. Kwanzi P is equal to 350. Wrote pana P tichaisa chi 350. Totati plus. Then pana P again panoya 350. Kopana R, that's 5 because R is equal to 5. Then pana T tichaisa 3 over 2. Because tikatora 1.5 which is a mixed number, tikada kuita an improper fraction. It's not 2 times 1, that is 2 plus 1, that's 3, so 3 over 2. So panapa I'm going to multiply for ease of calculation na 3 over 2. That's PRT and everything is over 100. So panapa tamkushandisa my basic algebraic skills to solve this. So A is equal to, remember this is paper 2. Correct, if you have a powerful calculator, you can simply input Cesar Iri like this question and retain an answer. But let us simplify a little bit before we cannot retain an answer. So tikati 2 into 2, that's 1. 2 into 3, that's 1 with the remainder of 1. 2 into 15, that's 7 with the remainder of 1. And 2 into 10, 5. Saka we are left with a situation where we have 350 being added to 175 times 5 times 3 over 100. Saka panapa ndo panda kuda kudi kuchiisa in my calculator. So I have a powerful Casio calculator. Inotitendera kutongonyora uti 350 plus 175 times 5 times 3. Doesa my brackets ndototi over 100. So the answer I retain, which is an exact answer, is 376.25, which can be improperly written. Saka mogona kunyora answer yakadai so, or mogona kunyora iri improper fraction iri 1505 over 4. Notendera zvakare kunyora yakadaro. What do I advise? I advise kunyora as a fraction because inenge iri exact. Uye munenge ita escape from the issue of degree of accuracy, because even though 376.25 is an exact answer, in the case yanga isiri exact, you would have needed, typically for ZIMSEC, to express it to 3 significant figures. And some students might find it trickier to do that. Saka you lose marks if you express your answer as a decimal kana musingagoni kuireduce to the required degree of accuracy. So to be safe, kana answer yenyu chikwanisa kuva a fraction, I will obey it being an improper fraction. Just write the fraction as your answer. Saka we are done with part 1 of our question. Let us now double down on part 2. Part 2 is of vital importance. Ndo zvatavinga. Zviri kunzi, make P the subject of the formula. Sapana patiri kuti A is equal to P plus PRT over 100. We want to make P the subject of formula. So what we are going to do is, chinhu chandoda tumubatisise panapa, like mongo wequestion yedu, process iri ku solving fractions inonzi clearing the fraction. Kana musingazivi process iyi, pese pamunosangana nema-fractional equations munoona moto. Sanda kuti mutererese pandoda kudiscussa clearing the fractions, because ndo method yatichashandisa apa, clearing the fractions. Okay, saka tapiwa a are equal to p plus PRT over 100. So you can make P subject of formula, then we trace with PR papi, PR panapa, PR apple foot. But we do not want fractions there. We want to remove the fraction part of that equation. We want to clear it. So if we want to clear the fractions, the principle in note, and I feel like I have to write it. Principle of clearing the fractions in note, multiply every term of the equation with the common factor. Emphasis parapa madzangu, it's every term. And kana tichiti every term, tiri kuti including beyond the equal sign. Saka, you are going to multiply every term by a common factor iri muequation. Every term. Mistake yakaitwa na George ndeye kusa multiplier every term. So what do I mean panapa? What I mean is A is equal to P plus PRT over 100. To clear the fractions, toona kuti toda kubvisa 100 uyu. Saka we multiply this term by 100. We also have to multiply this term. Then in my mistake yaita this student, ndeye kunyora like that common term kuinyora as if it's a power. Saka kudai so 100 yeso panapa. Isa zviitenderwi izvi. Like this way of presenting inokanganisa zvakawanda. Saka what I advise is, kana makuda kumultiply every term by 100, mufa ungochinja manyorero amunoita chi your formula. San monyora formula yenyu makaita kakuispesa like P plus PRT over 100. Toda kumultiply term ino in 100 kuti tibvise 100 tu. But since tichifanga kuzomultiply every term, zvoreva kuti P unoyu zvakare anofanga multiply na 100. A zvakare, because even including beyond the equal sign, A you multiply futi na 100. Saka everything is multiplied by 100. Effect yata, the reason yata sarudzira 100 inyaya kuti toda kucheka panapa. But tavata multiply this term na 100, that term na 100. Saka we eventualize with 100A is equal to 100P, then we write plus PRT. Kana tapanapa, I'm confident kuti my students know how to do it, because since T na P we have to factor out. Saka 100A we get equal to factoring out P in get 100 plus RT. Then of course divide both sides na 100 plus RT. Remember, zviri ma brackets kuno kuona na 100 plus RT. So cheka na kuno uku. Therefore answer yedu iri kuti P is equal to 100A over 100 plus rt mukada yenyu kuinyora iri mabrackets vakare munotenderwa, but in your final answer you can drop the brackets. This is the answer. Saka the reason why I recorded this lesson kwanga kuri kusimbisa this idea of clearing the fractions. Ndichida unyanyo kutsanangura panapa every term, even beyond the equal sign. That was the reason for this lesson. So I hope you understood what I'm trying to communicate. If you have any issues, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments. If you want to ask more directly, do so on the numbers I'm about to show you. These are our numbers you get to us via WhatsApp. Number zacho 071-521-3310 plus 263 inoshanda kune vasiri muZimbabwe. This is also where you get to us kana mchida kuva part of our school, our online mathematics school, the MathHub Mathematics Institute Nasendi, where we teach and prepare students for ZIMSEC O-level mathematics, be it June or November. We teach and prepare students for June and November ZIMSEC pure mathematics. We also teach other variants of mathematics, that is additional mathematics for O-level, pure mathematics for O-level, further mathematics for A-level, statistics for A-level, even O-level, mechanics for A-level, even O-level, etc. So please be a part of us if you enjoy our lessons. Thank you and have a great day.